Redefining golden years through adventure. Ever wondered what it means to truly age with grace? With adventure? With a spirit that's truly unbeatable? Welcome to Over the Hill Yackers. This isn't your average seniors club. It's a community of dynamic, active seniors refusing to let age define their lifestyle. Hiking, biking, kayaking, you name it, we do it. Because age is not a barrier, but a milestone that adds to our adventurous spirit. Hear inspiring stories, witness incredible adventures, learn from experiences, and join us as we redefine the golden years. Because on our channel, we don't just go over the hill. We conquer it, we marvel at its beauty, and we share our experiences with you. Subscribe to Over the Hill Yackers now. Adventure, after all, doesn't have an expiration date. Are you ready? Over the Hill Yackers. Adventure has no age limit.